Welcome back to Through the Birds. And if you're new here, welcome in. Here at Through the Birds, we cover a new set of birds that originate from a country chosen by followers each week. This week we were in Japan, and we take a look at some of the birds in the area. This week, instead of our typical weekly roundup that we've been doing for the past couple weeks, I wanted to try something new and give you guys a bird quiz on the information that I've learned about this week. Keep track of how many you get right and let us know in the comments if you learned anything insightful this week. And as always, if you have any suggestions on places you want to visit next, leave us a comment below or head over to our Instagram or TikTok page to leave a comment over there. We would love to see you over there, and the research I do each week is broken up and posted over there. Alright, without further ado, here's your bird quiz of the week.